Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine, enjoying at home. This is your moral science class, and we are going to study chapter 2, and the heading is love. And this is the story of a cat and a mouse. First, I would like to explain what is love. And love is a feeling. We can't express it by words. This is a feeling, strong feeling which we have for one another. Whether they are our parents, children, friends, neighbors. We love many things. Even we love animals also. Some people keep pets because they love them. They entertain them, they love their company, to live with them. So this is a feeling. They can't communicate with the animals, but animals can also understand the sign and the feelings of the human beings. So human beings, you will see, they are keeping pets. And what is love? To accept them as they are. So love is a feeling. Here is a story related to love. How the two animals were enemies first and they turned into friends. And here is the story of cat and mouse. The cat always troubled the mouse, and that was the reason that mouse thought that cat is my enemies. Cat troubled, ate his food, frightened him and ran after him, and mouse was always afraid of the cat. And next, what happens? One day there was a rainfall. Cat went to take rain bath and got wet in the rain. And result was he fell sick, started sneezing. He was running with high fever and was on the bed. And when mouse saw him, he was very happy. Why? Because the cat always troubled the mouse. Here see the sick face of the cat. The cat is sick and lying down. And when the mouse saw the cat was sick and lying down, he started singing and dancing and enjoying. Because cat always troubled it, isn't it? But after a while, what happened? First mouse thought that cat is sick now. I am independent, I can go anywhere, I can do anywhere, I can live independently, very happily. But what happened? After some time he felt bored. You are in search of that we will get holidays, then we will stay at home, and right now what is happening? You are getting bored at home. The same thing was with the mouse. And then mouse thought all the positive sides of the cat, that he runs after me, that makes me active. He frightens me, that makes me regular in praying to God. And these all positive thoughts when came, then mouse decided to help the cat, and see how he is bringing medicine in the spoon, water in the glass, bringing cooking food for him, serving him. And after his service, what happened? Cat got well. And after that, they all remained good friends. What happens when anyone helps us? We are grateful to them. So the cat was grateful to the mouse and they became good friends. And after that, what happened? They remained friends for a long time. And they thought that it is better to be friends than enemies. And my dear, it is really true. It is better to be friends than enemies. Okay, we should be first one to do the friendship, and we should never try to break the friendship, because friends are the person with whom we can share many things and who helps us in our need also. Now here are some exercises which you have to do. Here is make sentence and the word is love. It is not essential that which sentence I am making, that only you will make. I love you. My parents love me. My parents love me. I love attending parties. Any sentence it can be. Okay, so choose small but correct sentence. Second word is afraid. I am afraid of injection. Injection. Because many of you don't want to take the injection, isn't it? I feel afraid with my father. Many of you feel afraid. You don't feel scared with your mother because mother is more loving, isn't it? I feel afraid with cockroach. Many things. I feel afraid with any animals. I personally feel afraid with any animals. Okay, I feel afraid in dark. So there can be many sentences. Okay, next word is sad. Mouse was sad. I feel sad, my dear, if you don't come to school. I feel sad if I don't see you. And many of you are when you are coming without video, I am telling you again and again to come with video. Why? Because when I see you, I feel nice. Okay, I am sad because I am not feeling well. Wait. I am sad because I am not feeling well. You feel sad when you get less marks, and you feel happy when you get more marks, isn't it? So there are many small things in which we become sad also and happy also. This medicine is costly. I need medicine for myself. Now next word, let us see. Friend. First, a friend in need is a friend indeed. On friend you can write many things, isn't it? In need is a friend indeed. Rohit is my best friend. My friend helps me whenever I am in need. I love my friend. There can be many more sentences. Now let us see the next word, enemies. And it is better to be friends than enemies. First sentence. It is better to be friends than enemies. Next, you can write, I believe in friendship. I have no enemies. Now let us see the next word. Oh, here is a prayer. First prayer. God is sufficient unto me. He verily is the all sufficing. In him let the trusting trust. This means that God is helpful, sufficient. God helps us in all the ways, and he can do everything. But we should have faith in him. We should believe, we should trust. And that's why I am telling you again and again to cultivate the habit of doing prayer. Early in the morning, ask help from God to give you power, to give you energy, to do all the things very nicely and in proper way. Okay? And at night, while you are going to bed, you should develop the habit of saying thank you to God. Now thank you, my dear, for watching this video, and hope you will do your work very nicely. You have to write this prayer also and make sentences also. So, first you will write CW and date. Give the date of the homework, and then you will write all the sentences and prayer. Thank you, my dear.